everyone! I am so excited today to show you the Sewtites Sewmatic Expanding Cutting System. I've really wanted this. So as most of you probably know, I have shoulder issues. I'm about to have shoulder surgery. I've had a hard time doing my cutting on my regular cutting mat, looking to replace it anyway as it's aged, and I really wanted to test out this Sewtites magnetic system because of the smaller one that I have, and it works so well. So we were at Quilt Market and Corey got it for me. So I cannot wait to unbox it for you, show you everything about it, and show you how it can help if you have any shoulder issues, hand issues, things like that. I can't wait to test it out. So the Sewtite Sew Magnetic Expanded Cutting System is going to come in this large box here that you see. It's got a QR code over there for instructions on how to use it. It's a 24 by 42 Sew Magnetic 7-layer double-sided self-healing cutting mat with a ferromagnetic interior. So I can't wait to open this up, show you that what it comes with. I know it comes with a ruler. It comes with some Sewtite booster magnets. So let's flip it around and check it out. Alrighty, now that I got it flipped around, I've already cut the tape and I'm going to open it up for us. Alright, now that I have it open, you can see how they have the magnetic thing holders in here, which is kind of cool the way that they have those placed in. So we're going to pop these out. We'll get all these popped out. Oh, you can see them already magnetized into each other. This kind of tells you how strong the magnets are going to be. Voila, got them both. Now we're going to pop this covering. Good protection in there for the mat. Take that out. It also comes with a ruler. Alright, so we just took that out of its plastic. It's 8.5 by 24. So it's a really large and nice one, which will go across the whole cutting mat. So from edge to edge to let you be able to use that whole surface. It already has the magnetics built in to here to the cutting mat. You can also use the additional pieces if you need that extra little pull to it. So it has all those that come with it as well. It also works with any additional ones that you might have gotten in the past. So like I had this small one in the past. So it's also going to work on the mat for me. So I love that. I know they have a lot of different other ones too. So we're going to pop this off. Take this one off and then take the mat out. I do love how it comes with a little owner's kit too, kind of personalized. That's super sweet. Let's see what's in there. All right, so it just talks about the general use, how to use it, what cutting to use, rotation, all kinds of really good stuff. You know, obviously about being safe with it, the warranty, and any questions that you might have. Okay, now we're going to pop this out. All right, so this one's kind of big, so I might have to stop and get a little help because of my shoulder. Hang on. All right, so we got it out of the box. This is kind of how it's going to look. It's going to be, like I said, the 24 by 42. I can't wait to take off my old mat that I've used. It was a great one, but it was a time for a new mat, and when I was choosing a new mat, again, I wanted to choose one that I could use long-term, that had self-healing to it, that I could use both sides of it, and that it would also have the magnetic system in there so it would help with cutting. So as we're cutting a lot, we want to make sure we have something easy to use to cut. So, you know, this with the magnetic system, I get to plop it right down on there. If I need a little bit of extra help because I just can't push as hard that day. And we all have those days, right, that you just want to, your shoulder hurts, your hand hurts from all the cutting, and you just want to be able to put a lightly pressure. So we'll just unlock that. I'm going to put my hand here just for more of balance probably. And then literally it just cuts that easy. Everything stayed in place for me. Use my Femore rotary cutter, our ergonomic style, available at Linda's. Great. And then you know what? Just pop these off. And I can literally just move it that easy. Lay everything back down. and then lock it back right down into place. And I'm ready to cut again without holding tons of pressure. I mean, we all know we have the the rulers, the mats where we don't have any assistance, whether it's magnetic, glue stick, any of that. And we're really putting a lot of pressure on here just to make that cut. Well, between using this rotary cutter, using this Sewmatic sewing system, I literally don't have any issues cutting. I am so excited that Corey got this system for me at market. I can't wait to put it to use. So just as a reminder, the whole system, the Sewmatic expanded cutting system, comes with the 24x42 Sew Magnetic 7-layer double-sided self-healing cutting mat. I love the double side of it so I can use both sides of it. Also has a 8.5x24 Sew magnetic ruler, and then 16 Sewtite booster magnets to help. Now what's nice about those booster magnets again is whether I want to use them here on the mat itself just for an extra helping hand, or if I want to use one of my other rulers. I mean, like I have my Quilter Select ruler right here and I want to hold that in place. I can still use all the rulers that I might have in my quilting arsenal with this cutting mat just by using the included magnets that come with it. I cannot wait to try this out more, use it more, come to you after I have my shoulder surgery using it. So if you're looking for a new system to replace your older system like I was as well, but also want to have something that kind of holds that fabric in place for you to make cutting so much easier, this is definitely an investment worth thinking about. Jump over to lyndas.com. The link will be in the description. There'll also be a discount code for you in the description to try this cutting system out. Thanks for watching.